Nih,
Apa surprise? Tembak kamu itu lah, singkang am tas ni.
Wah. Tadi kau ayam sok plum. Bat miah ong, bisa ong. Balak khai miah por sok plum. Tadi kau cuma miah.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka Cot Admission nakamta ka Nursing but Paramedical Course, ka bala itu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka By Admission ka Badunatam, but 6% ka Jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka Education Loan.
Sawanka Surong, kelalong ka Samla, panyora ay kanang mlado, hakaransan Miss Meghalaya aja Bhabriew. Katba ka Samla Loreta lalu, kalayora hakradan ka Baningkong, wa ka Samla Amida Giovanna Kindia, kayora ekradan kabalay. Katbah ka Miss Teen Meghalaya aja Bhabriew, kasamla Oda Rika Kamarwar, kajob ikanam Miss Teen Meghalaya aja Bhabriew. State Director of Miss Meghalaya Universe and Miss Teen Meghalaya Universe, uba Brian Walang, hakajing ekran bakilat patay kubor, ulong bakani kamday tanggajing yakop, banjit ikinong job, hanray kalongru ban ajing syakri, Pajing hikai yakinong isim benta, bakin nang kiw hakajing syanya yaladi, karkom keren bat kiwe-kiwe.
Girls will be proud and not learn anything from it. We had 20 teams and we had 16 in the Miss category. And talking to them after the show, many of them have spoken about how these 12 days transformed much of their way of thinking, the way they spoke, the way they carried themselves. And that is our aim actually, not only about winning the crown, but to be able to come out of this learning a lot, because I think today, where communication is concerned, that is something which is really required. Your presence when you meet people, the way you carry yourself, the choices you make, and all that we try to cover within these 14 days of practice and the different sessions that we had. So,
I've been a pageant enthusiast. I have competed in many pageants before, but there was a time I chose to step away, not because I gave up, but because I needed to grow beyond the stage. So when I decided to participate again after 4 long years, I had this urge within me that I really want to represent my state on the national level. So talking about the experience, it feels surreal coming back, because 4 years is such a long time, and meeting all the girls, they're so full of life, full of energy, they're so eager to, they're so hunger, they're so thirsty for the crown, and I feel so glad that I was able to be with them. I'm a part of them, like, they were there with me. I learned a lot from them, and especially this organization is truly special to me because Sir, especially, he was so kind. He is like a father figure to all of us, and Sir Shravan, he was really busy with all the stuff, but despite that, he took his time to greet us, to tell us where we were lacking, what we should improve. And Ma'am Laila, I can't thank her enough, because she has been a mentor, a sister. She has guided not just me, but all the girls. She pushed us to come out of our comfort zone, to believe in our full potential, and the experience is truly amazing. I've learned a lot, and I thank God that I was able to win the title and represent my state.
We had different experiences. We visited museums, we went to the journey. It was all so fun, it was also amazing. Yes, so I'm really thankful for the team and for this opportunity. Thank you so much.
Both my fellow contestants, that we had an emotional roller coaster throughout this journey. It was physically, mentally and psychologically demanding, but regardless, the organization pushed our own limits. They helped us grow, learn, they help us, regardless of mistakes, we have the experience, the courage to grow from all the mistakes, all the journey, all the experiences we had through this session. It was so great to have members like Ms. Laila, Sir Brian and Sir Shravan in such an organization to push us to bring the very best version in each and every one of us.
For me, I feel like this journey, this pageant journey, it's not just something that once you step on the platform and you win, I started Pageant when I was 14 years old, and I have not won the crown until I participated for Miss Meghalaya 2026. I honestly see myself as a character that has developed from a 14 young to an 18-year-old today. And I'm honestly so grateful to the organization for pushing us to our potential, especially Sir, like Sawanka said, he is a father figure to every contestant. He was there to listen, to teach, and to guide us. And Ma'am Leila, who's like a mother figure to me, she had shown me how much potential you have and how much you can do and show to the other young generation that are looking up to us, because this crown comes with responsibility and with eyes looking at us, at how much we're doing and what we are capable of. And to Sir Surong for being our eldest brother. Honestly, he's very nice, and he has taught us that we have to be our true self to shine better on stage. And I'm so grateful to all the lessons I've learned so far, and also to my fellow contestants. You must know that this is not the end. There's always another journey, another path for you, and I wish you all the best. Thank you.
The competition will be held from mid-July to August. So those are the days that they have told us.
We don't want them to go there and think about anything else. So as much as we can from the organization, we're going to try to help them in any way we can, because once they step into the national platform, they're going to be representing Meghalaya, and we want it to be the best. We want them to be the best, so that they will bring not only glory to the state, but also glory to the families and to everyone else of the state. It's the real place where it's going to be held. But as far as I know, it's starting off in Jaipur, because Jaipur they're going to have the Miss Team competition first, and on the same day they will have the sashing ceremony for the Miss category. And I know from there they're going to move to Bangalore, because it's going to be a 1-month training period for them, so they're going to take them to 4 different cities. So we know what's happening in Jaipur, then they're going to Bangalore, then most probably they're going to one city in another part of the south. But then for the finale they haven't yet decided, so we're waiting for news from them. I think it's about time actually, because we've sent really good girls out, but they will never have that opportunity. But Tanvi being there and going there prepared, and I think much before the competition that she had a lot of followers, and lots of them agreed that she should be one of the winners. And when she was crowned the second runners-up, I think she made all of us really proud, because Tanvi has really worked hard for this. She's given her heart and soul, and she went there and made us feel proud of Meghalaya.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Surong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.